Hello friends, in this video we are gonna discuss about the common tumors found in India. In India, in case of men, the common tumor is related to the lungs. Lung carcinoma is prevalent in India. Otherwise in the world, in case of men, oral cavity carcinoma is most prevalent. In case of women, in India, there is breast carcinoma, and in case of the world, in women, the carcinoma of the cervix is the most prevalent. In children, in India, acute leukemia is the number one, and then comes the central nervous system disorders. Central nervous system carcinomas are prevalent in case of children. Now I will discuss about some of the genes which are responsible or helps in the suppression of the cancer. Like first I will discuss about the RB gene. This gene lies on the chromosome number 13. This is a tumor suppressor gene. Tumor suppressor gene. This gene stops at G1 stage. This RB gene stops the cell at G1 phase. If the G1 goes to S phase, only after the suppression of RB gene. That means if RB gene gets suppressed, then only can tumor grow. That means cell goes into the next phases of the cell development. And this suppression may be occur by the various cell growth factors. This means that the cell growth factors are responsible for the tumor cell development. Next comes the TP53 gene. This is also called P53 gene. This lies on the chromosome number 17. This blocks the cell cycle at the mitotic division. Of cell. After this, the cells with damaged DNA are caused to destroy by the apoptosis by the 53. If the cell got stopped at the mitotic division, then after the apoptosis, that is the programmed cell death, got activated, and P53 activates the apoptosis and the cell death occurs, and hence protection of the genome protection occurs, which prevents tumor cells growth. That means this T53 is a genome protector. Direct question is asked, what is the genome protector? This is T53. Now we will discuss about the CD95. If CD95 receptors are deleted, if CD95 receptors are not present or deleted, then apoptosis does not occur. Apoptosis does not occur. So this leads to the hepatocellular carcinoma. CD95 mainly plays the role in case of hepatocellular carcinoma protection. If CD95 is not there, then apoptosis does not occur and the hepatocellular carcinoma develops. Now we will discuss about the BCL2. This is the B cell lymphoma develops if apoptosis does not occur. So the B cell lymphoma cancer develops if the apoptosis does not occur and the cells escapes from the BCL2 gene. So this was all about the RB gene, the TP53, CD95 and BCL2, which plays the major role in the case of suppression of various types of cancers. Thank you so much.